Hi, my name is Abdul Akindele. Join me today as we look at climate change's effects on the continent at the bottom of the globe, Antarctica. Over the past 50 years, the west coast of the Antarctic Peninsula has been one of the most rapidly warming parts of the planet. Not only is there warming on the land, but there is also noticeable warming in the Southern Ocean. Since 1955, the temperature of the upper ocean to the west of the Antarctic Peninsula has risen more than 1 degree Celsius. It is now proven that the entire ocean is not warming as quickly as the Antarctic Circumpolar Current, which is the ocean current that flows clockwise from west to east around Antarctica. Therefore, Antarctic climate change research is crucial because it helps scientists forecast future climate change more precisely and inform decision makers in politics and policy. According to ASOC, the Antarctic and Southern Ocean Coalition, there is a growing anxiety about an abrupt and uncontrollably rising sea level due to the rapid melting of floating ice shelves. The Antarctic Peninsula, a well-liked travel destination, is one of the regions in the southern hemisphere that is warming up the fastest, with average summer temperatures rising by more than 5 degrees Fahrenheit between 1970 and 2020. Up to 75% of the extra heat and 40% of carbon dioxide produced by humans during the 1970s have been absorbed into the Southern Ocean. Antarctic ecosystems are already being impacted by warmer and more acidic waters. As a result, many penguin colonies are declining or perhaps going extinct. An article by the World Economic Forum states that the extensive effects of the Antarctic ice melt include a wide range of worldwide environmental and climatic consequences. The most notable effect is the increase in global sea level, which poses a hazard to hundreds of millions of people who live near coasts worldwide. A mere few centimeters of sea level rise can have a significant impact on houses, infrastructure, and farms due to increased risk of flooding, erosion, storm surges, and saltwater intrusion. According to a 2020 study, a 1 meter increase in the global mean sea level by 21,000 will result in an increase in yearly flood damages of 2 to 3 orders of magnitude, potentially impacting up to 20.3% of the world's GDP. This could be underestimated, though, since 2 meters rise in the global mean sea level by 21,000 cannot be ruled out. So, what is being done about it now? Well, according to the aforementioned article, even though some sea level rise from Antarctica is now unavoidable, by drastically reducing greenhouse gas emissions, we can still prevent the worst effects. Adopted at COP27, the Sharm el-Sheikh implementation plan acknowledged the effect of climate change on the cryosphere. Building on this momentum, negotiations at COP28 must acknowledge that keeping global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius is physically required to avert West Antarctica's irreversible collapse. Consequently, we have to rule out the prospect of warming by 2 degrees Celsius, as this will have disastrous effects on Antarctica and the rest of the world. By trying for societal change, we may accomplish this. These are quick changes to market dynamics, legislation, technology, and human behavior that have potential to bring about significant changes that will increase resilience and lower emissions. When the cost of new clean technology equals that of old polluting ones, powerful tipping points are reached. Thank you for joining me, and have a good day.